What's the meaning of bosom friend? Bosom friend. Bosom friend.
Bosom friend. Bosom friend. Bosom friend refers to a close and intimate friend who is trusted and valued like a member of one's own family. This term originates from the idea that a true friend is someone who is close enough to be embraced or held closely to one's chest. A bosom friend is someone with whom a person shares their deepest thoughts, secrets, and feelings. The relationship between bosom friends is characterized by mutual trust, loyalty, and affection. In essence, a bosom friend is someone who has a special place in one's heart and brings joy, comfort, and support to one's life.